Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PS4 controller to play PS5 games, as there is only one specific method for this. Directly, the PS4 controller, known as the DualShock 4, cannot operate native PlayStation 5 games. The PlayStation 5 strictly requires its dedicated DualSense controller for standard gameplay experiences. Therefore, the exclusive technique involves utilizing the PlayStation Remote Play feature, which allows you to stream your PlayStation 5's content to another device, effectively bypassing this hardware restriction and letting your PS4 controller interface with that device instead. To begin, make sure your PlayStation 5 console's system software is completely up to date. This is crucial for smooth operation. Next, navigate to your PlayStation 5 settings menu, select System, then Remote Play, and finally enable Remote Play. It's also important to configure your console to stay connected to the internet while in rest mode. To do this, go to Settings, then System, then Power Saving, and choose features available in rest mode. Ensuring stay connected to the internet is checked. Now, download and install the official PlayStation Remote Play application onto your chosen device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Once installed, pair your PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller directly to your mobile device using Bluetooth, just as you would any other wireless accessory. After that, launch the Remote Play application and log in using your PlayStation Network account credentials. For the best experience, ensure both your PlayStation 5 and your streaming device are connected to a very stable, high-speed internet connection, ideally over a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. With everything set up, open the Remote Play application on your device and select your registered PlayStation 5 console from the list. Your PlayStation 5 will automatically wake up from rest mode and promptly begin streaming its video and audio output to your device's screen. At this point, your PlayStation 4 controller, which is connected to your device, will now control the PlayStation 5 game running remotely. You can now comfortably play a wide range of compatible PlayStation 5 games using the familiar feel of your PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.